Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows script host error 0xC004F025 during activation. So firstly click on start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys we have to type this command sfc space /scan. Now then press enter. Now guys it will take couple of minutes. So once this process will complete, restart your PC or laptop, and hopefully guys after restart this issue will be fixed. And after restart still you have facing error, so you can try second method. Click on settings. Now here click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here you will see option activation or something similar. So run troubleshooter on that option, just click on run. I have not that issue, so I have not that option, so just you have to run troubleshoot. So after that again restart your PC. Thanks for watching. By these simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve Windows script host error 0xC004F025. Thanks for watching.